to another video. Today we have a Milwaukee M12 drain snake or AirSnake gun kit tool deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much we got an AirSnake tool deal. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but this is the M12, a 12-volt lithium coreless drain snake, AirSnake gun kit with a 2 amp hour battery, toilet attachments. So it does have different attachments for different applications there, as you guys see. And this is air, so you're not putting anything into the drains themselves. All you're putting is just compressed air there and blowing them through. And it's $3.99 regular price. This is the kit. So if you go down here, they're on sale. They do have special buys. So basically, you can buy pay the same price and get the battery, or get a 2 amp hour battery. This is a 6 amp hour battery. So this is probably one of the better deals to get. You get to pick the hacksaw, or the multi-tool, or the light, the floodlight, or 2 batteries, 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. This is actually more expensive here, so I would definitely stick with the ones that are $3.99. It's like these and this one. So those are probably the better deals. So if you're looking into something like this for the house, I would definitely get it, because I personally do have a drain snake. I don't have this one specifically. I have another brand. I just have a regular snake, with the wire, and it saved me so much money. If you have an older home, they get clogged up easy, all those drains and stuff like that. So you want to clean them out. But having something like this, in case if you have this frequently, if you have old pipes, or if you're a plumber, if you're DIY, or just a handyman, this is a great tool to have. And I just want to let you guys know, big shout out to Stan the Man for letting us know about these deals. Big shout out to him, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave the link down in the description section.